A Fox 6 on Your Side caller says when she bought her car, the dealer hit the road, leaving her high and dry.
Reporter Rhonda Robinson tells us how to make sure it doesn't happen to you.
In January of this year, Diane Knott paid $1,000 down on a Hyundai Elantra, but she says instead of getting the transportation she needed, she got taken for a ride.
I went to the tag division trying to get a tag. He didn't give me the paperwork that I was supposed to have. And all my paperwork, I have nothing proving ownership of the car, absolutely nothing.
Knott says each time she went back to the dealership, she couldn't find anyone.
He never did call me back. He didn't answer my phone calls, so I got suspicious.
Knott never got her paperwork, especially the title to the car.
All he gave me was a warranty sticker he had ripped out of the window.
It was later repossessed for non-payment. She filed a police report, contacted the Attorney General's office and the Better Business Bureau. With nowhere else to turn, she called Fox 6 on Your Side for help.
You just cannot do people like that.
Experts say small claims court will likely be the best recourse for Diane Knott, who's now left without her car and her money. The trouble is in catching the man responsible. Now, Fox 6 on Your Side will continue to try to reach him. In the meantime, consumers can take steps to protect themselves. Before you buy a vehicle, you should get the VIN, get the Carfax vehicle history report, and check out the title of the vehicle by calling the Department of Revenue. For Fox 6 on Your